let's talk about the visual aid kit. I love these colored floor pads. Here I have them set up for a rhythm lesson, and I'm going to be teaching the step cross open later. I can start introducing it with one hand, both hands, and even my feet as I'm sitting on the floor, so students are ready to rock it when they stand on up. Let's be honest, teaching a 3-step turn can present its own challenges. These floor pads let students see which foot goes where during the sequence: left yellow, right red, left green, and touch. These strips are so versatile. They can be used for laying out formations, blocking off boundaries for where the teacher stands, games, and working on new steps. The square frames are one of my favorite parts of the kit. They're great placeholders for students to know where to stand in class, and they give a visual cue for where their feet go, like placing feet together or outside of the square. This wall chart is great for students who like to visually see sequences. You can place Hip Hop in a Box card steps in the order of the combination and hang it for students to reference. To see more, visit the Rhythmworks Integrative Dance website.